Interesting video. Well, nice, yeah. Oh wait, there's no fucking bread there. Welcome to fucking live tutorial videos with fucking Lat 6, nigga. So, grilled cheese sandwiches, nigga. Ain't nothing there. Give me 1 second and there will be fucking 2 of them, nigga. So yeah, watch this shit. As you may know, grilled cheese sandwiches consist of bread, cheese, and lots of heat produced by this thing, right? So, how to make it is very easy. Take your fucking bread, okay? Get 2 fucking pieces of it, or however many you fucking want, or how many are fucking left in this piece of shit. Come on. Ugh. That's 3. 4th one. Okay. So now, once you got your fucking 4 pieces of fucking bread, set them the fuck aside and make room for some fucking cheese, nigga. Usually the cheese is found in the fridge. I don't know about your fridge. My cheese is in my fridge. So, just grab any fucking kind of cheese, doesn't fucking matter which, and get that shit out of the fucking bag. Okay, so when you think you've gotten your fucking cheese enough out of the fucking bag so you don't fucking have to touch it with your fucking fingers, and your cat has stopped fucking asking you for fucking food, then you can take a knife and cut that fucking shit, okay? So, grab. Easy. What the fuck? Fucking birds. Sure, this'll work. And, what the fuck? Nah, it's clear. And fucking, just take your fucking cheese, your fucking knife, slice pieces off. See? Good enough. Then you just fucking put them in your fucking cheese on the bread. Understood? Perfect. Блять. Now, continue to do this shit until your fucking bread is covered with fucking cheese or however much cheese you fucking want on your stupid fucking bread. Understood? Perfect. Give me 5 fucking seconds. Once your fucking cheese is positioned exactly as you fucking want it, then put your fucking knife down, take a piece of fucking bread and put it on top. Okay? Then carry. Блять. Okay, now carry this shit over to your fucking cheese, whatever the fuck making thing, and put the fucking piece in. Okay? Okay. Repeat the process as many times as you fucking can. Looks like you can fucking make like 4 or 8 here at the same fucking time, but I'll be only making 2 big ones. You can make 1 fucking huge one, I don't give a shit, just fucking make what you want. Give me 1 second. Perfect. This time bread didn't fall out. Okay, so once you get your fucking 2 fucking or however the fuck many pieces of bread you fucking want, you just fucking close this motherfucker, squeeze it tight with your fucking strong ass arms, and you plug the shit into wherever the fuck you find. And then you fucking see the lights light up, and once the green light disappears, you go, just like in a rally. Come on. Oh, there we go. Fucking green light disappears, red light only shining now. Now you should unplug the fucking thing, but I like to keep it tiny bit more in there so it gets the very nice fucking crust and fucking whatever. Basically, fuck it. Fucking pull it out. Get your fucking piece of shit. You're gonna fucking put this thing on. Don't fucking electrocute yourself. And when you're ready, open it. What the fuck? Shit. What the fuck are you stuck onto? And there we go. So now these things are very fucking hot, and you might burn yourself if you like take it. But oh, okay, it's not that fucking hot. But in case you fucking do, in case it is very hot, then don't worry and just go over to your fucking sink, wet your fucking fingers with fucking water, and while they are still wet, like hook it up, boom, zero problem. Shut the fuck up. Just fucking close this motherfucker, push it back into fucking where the fuck you found it. Yeah, fuck the cord, and you go and enjoy your stupid fucking bread. Yes. Very nice, and my computer has fallen the fuck asleep. Wake up. Ah, there we go. Well done. Yeah. Enjoy. Very nice. Fuck me. It's hot. Yeah. Like, fuck off. Eat shit. Go fuck yourself. I don't know. Watch my fucking videos.